Farabile, Fana Babibe, Fana Gozibe, Adam not upset. Should I send this beat to Ntate Stunna's project Sesotho Fashioneng 2? You tell me. This is how I made this beat. I started off with this random melody. I don't know what key this is in, but it's just random stuff that I clicked in. It consists of this Koreana from this VST Latin Eben what, and this one from Contact called Blank from the La Passion library. Then I have another one from the La Passion library, and it is called Noi or Noya or whatever. Together they sound like this. I used the same sounds to make this melody. The previous melody was for the intro, so now I use the same sounds to make the melody for the hook and the verse. So I did another melody that backs that one up, so it sounds like this. After that, I went and did this sound from Expand, Spiccato, String Up plus. I did this tango accordion from Expand as well. This is the Spiccato up that I was talking about. So they sound like this again. Say! It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I know right now it might sound a little bit all over the place, but together, bro, you're gonna sound crazy. Let me switch these ones off because they sound a little busy too. So I also did this noise bend from Expand just to create some little bit of lipiana. You can barely hear it in the beat, but it's there. It's definitely there. Then I also did these. I also did this quiet. Sounds crazy. It's also from Expand. So I'm pretty much done with the melody. So let's go to the drums. So I started off with this kick. It's a hard hitting kick. You can get it from the drum kit below. It's called Africa. Link is in the description below. After that, I went and did my favorite snare called Mpatlang snare. This is my favorite snare. If you've been around this channel, you know this is my favorite snare, bro. Then I went and did 2 instances of shakers and they hit at the same time. One hits on the right, one hits on the left. Then I went and did this bongo for like bounce. If you listen to it, it pans from left then right. I do that a lot with my beats. Then I also did this cowbell thing. As the bongo hits to the left, this cowbell hits to the right, vice versa. Then I went and also did another shaker. These sounds are so clean. Go get the drum kit, y'all. I also did this bongo. Using percussions kinda keeps the bounce of the beat, like it makes it a little bit interesting. Then I also did this bongo. After that, I went and put in the tambourine just to spice it up. Now it's time for the 808. 808 Mafia. So I did this 808. It's crazy 808, bruh. You know you gotta play with those slides if you're making beats from Ntate Stunna, bro. You have to play with the slides. Sounds like this. also put in the vocal thingy. What is it? Oh yeah. Okay, here it is. That whatever. Then I went and did this bass. Then I went and did these lock drums. There's 2 lock drums as you can see here. There's a lock drum, then there's a JB lock 2 source. They don't hit the same. So this one hits kinda high, then this one hits kinda low. I merged them or layered them together, and together they sound like this. I've been getting questions of where do I get this guitar and how do I play it. This is the good 80 fingered bass guitar from Flex. It's a stock plugin, but I kind of play with the settings. As you can see here, I saved it as a preset Maskandi guitar. You can go and edit this to your liking, or if you want mine, you can leave a comment and I can hook you up. How do I make this guitar, bro? Like in most cases, I follow the root notes of the melody, but in this case, I just play it every once in a while just to keep the bounce of the beat. So sound like this. Make sure that the notes here are not the same length. As you can see, this one's a little bit longer, this one's just step. I think they're called step notes. They just step the. That's pretty much how the guitar goes, the whole beat. If you want me to show you guys how I really make this guitar a little bit complex, leave a comment. And yeah, that's pretty much the beat, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, always keep it simple. Oh, before we always keep it simple, I also had to throw in some drum loop. I don't know where I got it. I also have this. I like this tom thing, bro. I like this tom impact. It's also in my drum kit. At this point, I just had to throw in some FXs and drum fills, and yeah, that's pretty much the beat. And always remember, guys, keep it simple. Bye.
Trinity, you wanna go?